Hello friends, in this video I am going to give a brief introduction to Python language fundamentals. Beginners in the field of data science or any field in starting with Python is programmers of the field has to figure out where to start. For most basic thing, programming start with installation of the software and write to code and interface and run the code. Python code formats .py and IPN files. These are the fundamental data structures features starting with Python. Uh, de- Declaration or no declaration. You need not to declare variables before you start the program, or you can declare the variables. Attributes. The type of also the object attributes and item. Any other object can be altered. Operations. An object type determines the what operations the object supports. In the words, what operations you can perform on data values. Oops, Python is completely object oriented and not static type. Uh, these are the fundamentals the, of the Python. Object, class, data types, flow, control, and functions and file handling. Data types are numeric, strings, lists, dictionaries. Flow controls are if else for while continue. Functions like definition, function call, mm, discasting, and return. File handling like reading, writing, and hand editing. Objects like class, variables, functions. Yeah, these are the some of the fundamental mm, data structures supports the Python. Python Boolean, true, false, numbers, integers, floats, fractions, and complex numbers. Strings, sequence of Unicode characters, bytes and byte array, contains the single bytes. Lists, order sequence of values. It is declared like this, and tuples are declared like this. These are also sequence of values. Sets, undersigns begins the values with the signs with the uh, parentheses. Dictionaries, a unit bag of key and value pattern. To run the Python code, there are some packages which supports some of the are listed below. They are freely available. Open Python IDE, PyCharm, uh, Anaconda Jupyter Notebook, IBM Watson Studio, and Microsoft Visual Studio. These are the some of the uh, IDEs available for Python code for running Python code. Installation of Python. To install the go to the Python institution website and clicking and Python recommended file.